You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report, and as always, I have to say thank you to everybody who has supported the movement. You know what I mean? Change is inevitable, that's what I'm saying. So you have to get, you know what I mean, on top of things and do what you have to do. That's true. So guess what now? This one is called Cashplot episode Deuce. Alright, episode 2. So I couldn't get to drop it as quick as I wanted to because, you know what I mean? But, forgive me, right? So guess what now? Watch it, share it, like, comment, do the right thing, you know what I mean? And for the family members what stuck by me and, you know what I mean, did it, oh my God, messages, you know what I mean, and so forth. I still go through what I go through, but we are go through it, you know what I mean, and we'll do it together. New family members, thank you for being on board, and highly appreciate you. And, thus far, I've seen the comments, I've seen where, things I need to improve on and all them something that I see them, all right? And I don't know if you realize that I'm not drop no more movie under 38 minutes, so I don't know if anything I improve, all right? And I listen to Uno, because, you know what I mean? Yeah. So watch the one it's called episode 2 of Cashplot. I want to big up Pinky, one big up Marika, one big up Bob, one big up Aliyah. You know what I mean? And the whole family. Who else in them? No can't nobody man go back with me. Ashley. Yeah, Ashley Night and Puppet Dan, you know what I mean, from Coloring Book. So, you know what I mean? We have put it together. So, bless up and thanks again. And watch it. But first, watch the recap. Oh!
My dream set. Me up on one street. Midnight. I cook goat belly soup.
Hey, me say you go make Cashplot with me and fall out.
Wait, ticket them there.
Me have a ticket them. Where you wear it? Why?
Come see. Come can't see them before come out.
No, me not hear you buy the 12. Me really? Show the goat belly. Listen, 12 o'clock at midnight,
Me buy 35. Me buy 8. Me buy 20 each. I know what man say.
When bro?
12. Me forget about the bomb. I forget to the man say midnight. To get the part there. And think because bossy call me and say come in.
You go walk?
Yeah.
Thank you, Jesus. Finally, I'm looking for it.
You come here, gambling money, you can't come to me.
You subscribe yet?
Man, I come with this 10 cents. Me see your sister with the Cashplot. Me see her when me exercise down the road a while ago.
I go where? I go for Cashplot shop?
No, she said she go somewhere, but her life better off now.
Huh?
And she tapped. And she done with Cashplot.
No man, my sister not go win and tell me. I know my sister. Maybe one dopey jump in him.
Name of Jesus, Pinky. For my money, Pinky. Me have bills, me have debts, me have things to do. I know you tell me this, you tell me that.
You subscribe yet?
Let's party.
Sugar!
Alright. Hello? Why you call me the entire here? Me tell her so when me dey home, you have to call me certain time because my boyfriend dey home. Me not care, and him a suspect it to a week. Every time me I go work, him a say, make sure say doctor man now look pie and this and that. You have to be careful. Me not understand you. Listen. Stop calling me when me dey home. You always see me at work. And we even go out other days, so what your problem? You can't get all. You know say me and him the first. And I like say you don't know you know. Alright. Hold on. Later. Because see my boyfriend I call me there. Later. Yeah, babe. Me I come. Yeah. Alright.
That's how you do it. I dodge me know from when me I look for you. See how the phone there in your hand, that means your phone active. Because me I call you, I'm not even like get you.
Things now go away or if you go for me right now, you know.
What you mean by that?
No money now run, brother. You know see how Christmas a come up, nothing now go on.
So me no give you a tool. What you do with it, you not rent it. You know, so if you not do it right, me have to take you back.
Listen to me. Me have a whole heap of links out there. And I can call one of my mad dog them right now and get a thing. Cause right now people afraid of me, you know.
No say so, man.
I tell that, you know, and ask, you know, people afraid of me right now, you know.
So how nothing now go on for you out there, that more want know?
You see me at work?
You have a tool you need for renting. Yo, you make me have to take
Watch
you back, you know.
Things soon start happening in the right way, brother. Me soon bingo again, you know. Believe in me. You know, I believe in me.
Who? And money me believe in, me no believe in people.
Brother, you better start have faith in me.
Where?
Oh.
Me have faith in money, not in people. Alright, we don't talk about the tool. So when me I get the money?
I'm going to make a link.
Make a link. Give me a date. Give me a time. When?
Yo, Thursday I get it.
No, man. Today is Thursday, man. Me can't wait so long.
I must hear that Thursday.
No, me can't wait so long, man.
Alright, Monday.
What time Monday?
10 o'clock.
Alright, just make sure, you know.
Do you right, man. Left me out to you, man.
Who we are deal with? You don't remember who we are deal with? No do that, man. They always say, sorry for Marga dog and then turn around and bite you. Remember me teach you a game and me take you out tight. I never send some bad dogs to bite you. Better eve yourself, you know. Like you know, say that chance me I give you. Yo, I'll go on for my money.
What do you mean?
Yo, the two catch you, you know. I see a word here. I remember see how Uno rap Mr. Chin, you know. I want to try to set me up. Alright.
Babe,
Yes, me here.
so make it take so long to come out here run here though.
I never did that do nothing.
What mean you never do that do nothing?
I just this long nice to take and I feel tired.
At 3 times I call the phone and the ring right out. How that is possibly the right there, so? Eh? What you so why you not talk on the phone?
I wanna my coworker then call me and ask me which part
Which co-worker, doctor?
Oh God.
Eh?
Yes. I injection them in call me and ask which part I put them.
You call if you ask the injection.
Mm-hmm.
So you want to inject you? Hmm?
Why you always say stuff like that about him, man?
When me say stuff like that about him, man, it clear say him man like you. And it clear say you are entertain him. How because you want position? Position you look for? Hold up here and cock up a bottom and that you go do. Not true? That you do? Think good, man.
Nah, Jesus. Let's stop
Think
off
good,
of
man.
that. You know, say you me love and everything.
Who you love? Love me? You can't love me and want to help me to fulfill my dreams now in this
What you want
world.
me to help you with?
But long and short, that's true. Me say, you know what much did
What?
yesterday?
What yesterday?
You come out to hear about it on the news. Happened that. My sister come apologize to me about the whole thing and say, right, she give my girl a Pinky. Pinky a thief. So when she give Pinky the same thing now.
Which same thing?
One ticket because she win number 12. She win number 12 and give Pinky money for collect because she don't want me to go see her or nobody to see she a collect it, so me know say she win money. I don't know why she do that to me. That corrupt. But anyhow, she come here and you know I'm my sister, you know, so my sister my blood and I love her. So I gonna make up fast. So she did it and she said she gonna give me 50,000 if me go for money from Pinky. Google and Pinky pull gun pan me. We have to run off.
Wait. Where's the Pinky there?
Pinky pull gun pan we have to run off. And we go to police station. We reach a police station now, them say to we say, we can't file nothing because we depend Pinky ground, a fear yard we in. Them ask for the our name and all them something. So we can't file nothing. So Pinky is now scotch free, just the same way. And bust and pull gun off away.
So why your sister never come to you first? She gone a friend.
Your sister some dopey jumping them and he feel like saying he want bingo.
And no dopey
greed,
jump.
craving.
She just never want to share it with you.
Yeah, take
She
time.
never did that think about you.
Yeah,
Now tell me if you take time by truth and the truth
yeah,
hurt.
but I still my sister.
Yeah, you see, when you in a problem now, are you in run to?
Yeah, can you know say
Yeah,
my brother and this and that so.
Yeah, you know, so you are in brother when time she in a problem. You don't realize that?
Alright, you may say.
All along, no, listen to me, I say now. Each time you win, your sister come over here. Yeah, most time your sister go buy a ticket.
Not the panic.
Not the family.
Not the panic.
No. Most time your sister win, you don't know.
Yeah, no, most times she me know.
You don't know.
Tell me something. Whenever I start awards, which day then? With so and so. Oh, you ain't get no award?
Yes.
What kind of award I get? Red and staff.
What do you mean red and staff?
Red and staff I get as an award, don't you? Huh? You laugh.
No.
I'm ready to come home and you're tired. You're very tired, like you just
If
full up
your
like a
journey
sheet.
so long, we expect.
The journey so long. Not my peer no mind, but that's a 21. 21 a bad, 16 a young girl. Journey.
I really Cashplot is long you start talk about.
Journey on road. 28 again. This is my sister. Yes, sister. Yeah, man, where you say? Yeah. Me I come link you right now. Wait there, don't I? You say me I come, girl. There's something more about her, man. Yeah, me I come.
So
I
really I go your sister. Today I'm day off, me at the home.
Yeah.
You're supposed to spend time with me.
Yeah,
You want to go your sister now? What you want to go your sister for?
Tired about guess what? Me have to go win some.
No, you're tired. Come on, we go in the house, go rest to them off.
Me soon come. Where you want to sing and rap up all day like a
Yes, because every day I work.
Yes, so me just get myself together then. No?
Oh, you get yourself together. Go to your sister, go Cashplot shop, go gamble. Stop.
Stop doing.
Come on, we go in the house.
Me go down my sister first and come. Me soon come with me. See? Me soon come back. It's alright. It's a mosquito bite.
I tell you say, my brain just mash up. My meds mash up.
But it's your
But
fault. You come at me like say your brain smash up like say. If you ain't trust me from morning, this I wanna reach me. Hmm? You have to understand say if we are gonna do a thing, we are do a thing. If we not do a thing, we not do a thing.
alright, me take a blame for it and everything. Me not have nobody to blame but myself.
Well,
You
that is it.
understand what I say? So me take a blame, but I try to even know.
The worst part about it, you see her from man, you see Pinky from man,
I not see her.
and you no news from nobody a call her like say boy she a chat your road or nothing like that, say she a come do things. Nothing like that. So good then
Nothing
man.
at all.
Kind of my head, you know, she really and truly. Nothing she come check you. That's the first thing. Because one, she owe you money. I have to you want to go check her. So consider it, say boy, is a gift. You know what I mean? A gift you give her. Because I never work, you work for your money. That's the first thing. So we can now work on the plan how we say we are deal with now. The three number where you give me, the three number I have, we are put it together and see if we can, win our money. What you say? Because you look like you're still in a doubt.
No man.
What?
Me just kinda give up on this gambling thing, you know. I think I joke me and me, but me I try to turn a new page in the book right now. You understand what I say?
Which book?
Eh?
Which book? Gambling book?
Yeah man.
But
Yeah.
but which page no, just talk to me straight, because I don't want to keep on coming here, And I'm something I know, say boy, I mean it upon the same terms.
Alright, what I mean, a chapter what me did have before, me close that the book me. So it's a new book, me I write over back with me and you, a new page, everything. New story, you understand? That me mean. So, me can't believe too. Me can't believe them police there.
Dirty police them man, I'm alright man.
Imagine.
Fire upon them.
After me and you go report
them.
Pinky. Can you believe the police them?
Why rough style.
No, tell me if it makes sense.
Yeah, because them tell me say it come like they can't trust you because they don't know if we go over for them place go threaten she and she have to pull her service pistol. So me I say, you don't know if illegal something. What if illegal something? They must say they don't know if illegal or license stuff, so they can't just come out like that. Can you imagine? And they must say, who else see? What kind of system that? Who else see?
You know what I feel? I feel say through a woman. Make her did one man.
One man, exactly.
They're running pan him, you know. But
I
through
go
a
no
woman.
man. I go no man. I'm afraid. But everything good say. So we say we are do. I buy some number.
You don't buy a number them man.
Eh?
You already know?
Come you go buy a number now.
Alright, come on.
Nobody feel covered for anything, you know.
No man, me I check if me have money.
Yeah, you have to make sure you have money. Go.
Eh?
No, make sure you have money. Make sure you have money. Another dollar. Hey, the mahalla. Hey, yes, another day.
Find little change.
Find some change. So much money find? What money find?
Me find $600. You can't work?
Yeah, man, I can. Go along now.
Yes.
Hello, good day. How may
I mean, man, how may I help you?
What problem? What
Good.
happened today? Yeah, man, not good.
So, what's business?
Business, alright.
You know, say a full time now, if you when we get some money, if you want like an allowance.
Where do you get money from?
You know, I work. Take out some money, man.
So, yeah, try to tell me if you do now. Thief out the people
No,
the
sir,
money
I
give
tell
you.
you, I will never tell you for thief.
I better come for today.
No, I tell you, say,
You know
because I
what
can't
you
check you. I can't check you. You know why you say, you're the worker, I'm not come check you. I can't check you, man. I tell you, say.
You can't check me. And at the same time, you come and tell me say, take out some of my people their money give you.
Then,
I fire when we get fired?
No, sir, but And that, but you know, say, talking about this and talking about that. See him so one bridging down the road there tell me say he want come rob me and he want involve me if he help you rob me. I said no.
One bridging?
One man a tell me say, one Rasta youth a tell me say me
Which man?
Boy public. I say name public. My bridging there. I tell me say he want come rob this a place a Cashplot shop here. He want come stick you up. And I tell him say me ain't that.
When he say I'm gonna stick me up?
One day man. About 2 days ago.
So you don't know say me your sister?
You don't know. I let my child put me in there. Me I tell him say me a no thief. Me ain't that.
So you die in jail, see them.
Anyway, still, I want to work, you know. I want to know the hours them when you work. I want to know what time you left, what time you come in, how much you pay.
Well, to tell you the truth, you know, my boss I look for security for other day because we don't have no security. And see, you know what can tell me about man a plan to stick me up and rob me.
Because I know when the boy come, you know, and see me, you know, I say, Mama, you know, I'm pissed out with him, you know what? Me will take your job,
Me I got what me have to talk to my boss first and make you know say. But here I know, no, me can't make you know to me and your family.
Oh, yeah, you know,
because you know in a some
place,
they don't really want family, or hire family, or wow. Because I have to go conduct your
Yeah, me understand.
Your interview and so on.
Me understand.
So mommy there alright?
Mommy good man, you know.
She must have cussed me.
She want things, man. That's why I say I make sure I come look at work.
She have to cuss me because other day she called me and said to send her $1,000 credit. And I remember next day, woman, you're working at Cashplot shop.
And Sugar High too, you know. Sugar High too, man. Carry a doctor all the time. Them.
In Sugar High?
Yeah.
Hey, so how you call me a cuss me for credit? And in that call me, she tell me say Sugar High.
She know how we fit. I find out and she tell me.
But
anyways, yeah, talk to your boss. Me I come go down and go see if she good or something.
Yeah, so, man, alright.
Alright, later.
No come back until me call you.
Alright.
Wagwan. When me want know is from the other day me give the ticket to go collect the big money. I'll know me can get my share out of it. So tell me how that go.
That the part there history. And me no get dollar. Not even dollar. I tell you no.
I fully try to take me from. So land there. Me say I fully try to take me from them. Because me know me give the ticket the day to go change it. $150,000 to be exact. And you no come back and say, Alia, so I look at 10 grand and much as $50.
Yeah, listen what me say. Me say me not get no money all time. Me give me friendly figure collect key. And mama rob me my money right now. Me tell her say I don't even know what going on with all me and my brother. Go pay a jar for my money. And it a badnessy girl a push. Badness.
You better you really trust me enough to give me figure change because I live near South. But no, you know what your brother know.
Listen, that's in my past now. I'm sorry about that. Right now, I don't even know me feel.
Well, I still want my little something for you for know something.
Alright, here one, me come to buy some number. Me not have much time. Number 21.
Hold on, 1 minute. Give me a minute. You know, my little brother just come up here. Come tell me, say, for your brother, a plan to rob me and the Cashplot shop.
No, sir.
What you mean by silent? No.
You could have never, your brother could have never tell you that about my brother.
And your way going out, you know, so my little brother come out of the shop.
I think me see one short boy.
And my brother, he just come up here to give me the news.
Yeah, listen what me I say. Me know my brother, me and him grow up together. And me I tell you say, my brother would have never.
Obviously, you don't know your brother. Because my brother don't know liar. You hear him don't know liar.
Tell me number them.
Where's your one?
You fabricate such a lie.
21 hours.
21, 8, 15, 29. How much number that me gone?
4.
8 and 12.
At 2 times, you tell me 8, you know.
You tell her 8 already? Y'all confuse me brain. You sure?
Go again. 21. 8, 15, 29, 21, 8, 15, 29, 8 again. Come again.
Alright, here what? 18
Mm-hmm.
and 7.
18 and 7. So that's a 21, 29, 15, 8, 7, hour, 18.
Yes.
Alright. What you want them? 100 by 100? 50 by 50 what?
100 by 100. A lot, you know.
Oh, a lot you want?
Yes! Y'all confuse me brain. Me don't know where you get them they sitting from your fear, brother.
Hold this. Come, $300. And remember, you see any other shop I rob, I wanna know your brother, cause I your brother near me here.
You alright, you know, once you have no proof, you can't say my brother, because my brother not do them the things there.
Bye, miss, bye.
Later.
Come back again and remember, if you win this trip, I want my money.
Alright.
Who is it?
Me.
Come in. Come inside. How you doing?
I'm fine.
When you see me leave the grill up now, you must know, sir. I saw your camera coming, but... So you doing? It's good to see you in my house.
Anyway, I'm going to talk to you.
I am here to listen.
I know. You always did it for listen.
Always.
I can't believe, say, today I'm a day off. And the man when I'm there with, gone gamble. You can't believe that?
Wow. So, are you saying that you have the belief that he's not interested in you anymore? Or...
You feel so?
No, I'm just asking if that's the way you feel.
No, it's just that the gambling thing. Every time I feel like gamble, if me dream, I get up and I say my dream about this, I'm going to gamble about it.
But maybe you need to stop telling whatever you dream. You don't think so?
Yeah, I think so.
But like I said, it's really nice having you over today. I mean, I gave you the day off and I didn't even expect that you were coming to share some of the time with me. You know?
Yeah, because I need a friend to talk to and you me have as a friend, so I just come and talk to you.
I understand. You know, anything for you. You know, always, going to be attentive to what you have to say. And I must say, you're looking very lovely in that purple dress.
Thank you.
Yes, man, that purple dress fits you very well. Fits you very well.
Oh, that's so nice of you. Not even that man would that tell me.
Serious? You serious? My God, and when I saw you on the camera coming a while ago, my gosh, I felt so weak in my knees. I'm telling you, man, boy. Not going to say anything bad about him, but I know, growing up, I always hear my grandfather with this saying that, cow never know the use of his tail. Thank you very much.
That's true.
But I mean, you can give him some time to see if he'll come to his senses,
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Give him some time.
But for now, you don't know you have to. Still have to enjoy yourself, Because you don't know if him out there enjoying himself right now. You understand? So you have to enjoy yourself.
No, sir. Gambling and gamble.
You sure? Okay. But I have some drink in the fridge, I don't know what you'd like.
I'm not really thirsty right now.
Okay. Well, whatever you need, you're at my house, so I'm here to take care of you entirely.
And
Easy. What you think about a while ago?
No, I never think about nothing. Not at all.
Okay. Because I don't want you to say, I don't want you to say my mind smutty, you know.
No, doctor, I'm not say that.
You don't have to address me as doctor right now. I know I'm a doctor, but we're not at work now. You're at my house.
So,
Just feel free. Relax. Do as you please, anything at all.
okay. Hello? Huh?
Wait, you there?
Me gone in the town.
Gone what?
Me gonna pick up some stuff.
What kind of stuff? Make sure you know who they gonna pick up, you know.
What do you mean by that?
Make sure you know a doctor boy there, you know.
Me not the Wendy.
Eh?
Me not the Wendy.
Me gonna give me shotgun by number, but my sister, I said to me, say, me want to wait for her one place. And me I said to me, say, what kind of trick is she a keep up? So you are going now. No one talk to you, because you see, one boy named Bob, I come pull me away from my sister while she go shop. So me I talk to Bob. So when me I talk to Bob now, English disappear after that. And then my sister forward. And so she hurry.
When me come home, me talk to you. We have to talk.
No one talk.
No, when me come home, me talk.
I do you.
Jesus.
Eh?
Me there na.
You too busy for your man? Or a man of their own?
Me not there on no man.
So your sound so quiet and not all decent, eh? Backside of one. You make me there, I wonder where you're there. Because you don't normally go up on your day off.
Me tell her to stay home with me and you gonna gambling
So
shop.
that's when you hurry to come back. What is me bingo? Where you go say? Where you go say?
Me so come. When me come home, me talk to you, okay?
Say it again.
When me come home, me talk to you, okay?
How you sound so? But you speak proper.
No, so me always speak.
No.
Your phone.
It's alright. Alright. Must get a good bike up in.
I'm sorry, I'm very sorry.
Me hang up the call.
Very sorry.
Jesus.
Place the phone here to charge. I'm very sorry. I'll take it in the room and come back.
It's okay, hang up.
Yeah. I'll soon come. Very sorry about that, eh?
That's okay. Oh,
But I mean, we get about all of this stress and thing out there. You know, the hall that kind of hot, I'm going to turn on the AC from morning, but inside of my room is very cool, you know, because the AC is on from morning.
No, me sit down with you, so that's
Serious?
okay. Yeah.
You mean to say you're going to stay in the heat out there?
No, we're not getting a room. Me have to go now, yeah, because I'm not going to stop calling on my phone.
I understand.
Yeah, alright, Doc. So, me see in the office
And
tomorrow.
I tell you, whenever you come here, you don't have to call me, Doc, you know.
You must.
Even Donovan, just say Donovan.
Alright, Doc. Oh, Donovan.
Come on, it's easy. Alright,
Later. Jesus, see my car on the African, yeah.
It's okay.
You know.
Next week, I'll give you a double there, so you can come over and, you know, spend some time.
Think about it.
Alright.
Alright, Doc. Donovan, later.
You're looking very beautiful, lovely, as always.
Thank you.
Alright.
Bye, Doc.
Alright.
Donovan.
You're easy, though. Don't worry, the dog them time, man.
Woo!
Yeah, man. Alright. Damn, you that boy, you know, stop calling ladies, man. Look, I'm going to drink up outside or something.
You know, you're one.
Oh, go on.
Bob gone to jail.
Bob,
Yes!
the short nigga there.
Think I joke me. Me say Bob gone to jail. Bob broke his sister shop. His sister Cashplot shop.
But hold on the babe. So you try to tell me, say, Bob, blocking own sister Cashplot shop.
Like, you know, you miss your while ago.
Backside. So, I always think there's a blood thicker than water. And a matter of fact, you know, say the boy, the babu owe me some money.
Eh,
So, when they are now?
you saying gone to jail.
If you go to jail, how me get my money? What can go so?
All his sister run him down. He lick him and police and hold him. His sister get out of hand. Want fight. So, police lock up his sister too.
So, she want to fight the police like her up too.
Want fight him brother, cause him brother broke his shop. And I understand.
Why? It's a rough task. But me not busy about for them business, you know. And my money, me business about, you know. And Bob, who owe me my money, you know. I'm not there no laughing thing right now, you know. All if I don't have a station, me have to go for my money, me I go feed.
Stop it nice. I girl when you and Pinky we have your money down the road if you go and see your money for. I want me really do it. Surface or bad man.
Yo, stop it nice. Come here, someone, I'm back saying in your face. You don't know who you talk to. Don't ramp with me here. I'm a tough. Get up and ground this too. Yo.
I don't understand you, you know. I really don't understand you. I come in, I go around and come back. Where you went there?
I tell her somebody that I'm a friend. They don't know.
Don't know which friend?
Hmm?
So them are close, we're going to get friends? So sexy up?
No, I come in and beard and change.
You come in and build and change?
Mm-hmm.
You see one look at insect the same thing, you see it?
No.
You have to even pay attention to certain things. I don't understand you. What really go on?
Nothing go on. What happened?
What do you mean what happened? Are you to tell me what happened?
Nothing happened. Oh, before you go no further. Your sister come up here today. She said I must give you them here because she don't know why Bob they stop you when time you and I got a Cashplot shop. So she give me them the free you.
She makes you buy it 2 times. Isn't that still? We just not understand what really are going between me because you have to tell me now, say you got a friend and I know say I don't get a doctor place today. And you come in, you beard. What that signify?
That not signify nothing.
What you mean it don't signify nothing? What you talk about?
What you want to talk about? Me not have other friend. Only doctor my friend and my boss.
Yeah, but to me, I doctor alone I love express yourself with it. Him not check your phone one night and say miss call from doctor come in. What that mean?
That not mean nothing.
You don't mean nothing at all, Joe?
No.
Oh boy, I don't understand what is going on. Cause you know what you know try to convince me say you're a doctor and nothing. My sister call me back, sister. You are trying to convince me say you're sitting there.
Me and the doctor don't in a nothing. We don't in a nothing at all. We only talk and that's it.
We don't talk. We mean talk. We mean talk.
We there work. Why you so aggressive?
Me not aggressive. This is aggressive. Me not
So
aggressive.
you are going so
When me say I
far?
go and suffer, come something wrong and you not tell me.
Nothing wrong.
So-
I'll stop behave.
So what you say what your doctor say?
So we all the talk when we there work and that's it.
Tell me if you believe that.
If I believe you, I believe you, you know.
My sister, calm me, sir. Yes, sister. You see time on night, man, you call me? What do you mean? People, I like you tell. Girl, like I tell you, girl, like I tell you, don't prank people too much.
Oh,
Girl, we win. We win. Well, me win. Yeah. Me if you run with the ticket now, I swear to you. I'm not do that to you, my sister. No, me not do that to you. Me tell you something. Yeah, you never feel left a ticket. And yes. You understand, man? Know yourself. No, the one I can't let teamwork. No, I didn't matter about. Alright. Yeah, man, me will send you everything. I will respect everything, man. Just know it's everything good. Sister, you can't trust me, you know? How you make can't trust? Alright. If you fling a phone in the water now. A phone. What kind of phone is you want again?
oh,
An iPhone 16?
wow.
Yeah, get
Babe, how are you?
no, man, just think me and think about the fact say, yo, you have to just believe in yourself and believe in whatever you are doing.
Yeah, that's true.
What do you mean that's true? What you are talking about? You ain't believing in me? After every time you say, boy, lend me some of your dream them. And you say, you're not this and you're not that.
I'm just distracted.
Very distracted. Look how fast I live in nursery. But still, if you go back in nursery, you know.
So, are you make me left you know now you tell me for go on back?
Because guess what now? Me not gonna spend all of my dollars. So, if you have a new house and you buy that expensive fridge, me don't know what kind of fridge is that. 300,000 for one fridge. What can go so? The money we done fast, yeah? So you better go back in nursery in this area. You gotta laugh and joke.
You're serious?
Let me say me serious. You have to go back
After you make me left me work,
Yeah, because
now you tell me for go on back alright.
You know why I say that? Left that area there and we could start now a new area. That me I talk about. Now we uptown. Uptown. So what we gonna do?
Must look work somewhere else.
You go get work. You know, I don't worry yourself. I'm me name, my name. Saying everybody know me as a Lato King. Pass me cup for me, babe, please. Live like a king. What do you drink?
This my favorite.
I must say you have 7 locals in the fridge. Don't bother about the waste, you know.
I'm not always to make them waste them in the fridge.
Yeah, but 1 month now.
Just, then go in a room, go lie down.
And you go to the supermarket, just take up. Take up, because you can't afford it.
Seriously?
Yeah, man. You might try to call my sister, I'm not get her around there, she squander fear money.
I hope she not squander it in a gamble.
You know, if you think she has to ask somebody for help her to collect this. Me no ask her what go on, I send her money, you know. I just send her money and left down there. But babe, I'm grateful though, that's all I tell you. I have one question to ask you.
Go ahead.
Why am I say I miss call from the doctor on your phone?
I don't know, just call me. I always call or check up on me. You don't take that as not.
Still? Alright, you know what? You don't take it as nothing. Alright, you don't take it as nothing. They say, lie down, but lie down now. I don't lie down so
Not
far.
like that.
Go lie down, I'm so far. Drink your water now.
No, somebody push me like that.
You say push, say
Come
push,
on,
yeah.
come
Say
on,
pull it,
come
say
on,
push,
come
yeah.
on,
Say
come
pull
on.
it. Eh?
Come on, no. Come on.
you doing?
What you doing around here?
Just passing by. How are you?
I'm fine.
I have friends and family living in this neighborhood. You know.
Oh, okay, I understand.
Yeah, so how are you doing?
I'm fine. But
I can see that.
I still not understand. What the hell you doing around here, so?
Boy, you're still talking about that?
Of course, me have to talk about
I
it.
told you I have friends and family
Me no
living in the
believe you.
neighborhood.
Me not believe you.
And I also have a patient right down there that I have to visit every Friday. So I am all over the place. A matter of fact, based on information received, I actually learned that you won the lotto. You and your fiance, yeah?
No, me no want the lotto. My fiance win the lotto.
No, but both of you are together, so
Uh-huh.
I guess the funds are for you both.
Yes.
So are you saying that the money is not also for you?
Me not say that. Yeah, money have to you. Me not say not like that. The money have to you. What your
Okay.
problem?
Nice house.
I don't come on if you watch that.
I heard that you guys purchased this house. This house was initially owned by a lawyer, Garwood, you know, who is my friend.
And?
Yes, so all of the transaction I had prior knowledge to all of that.
Doctor, you see, if talking and growing, corner, whatsoever, what main reason why you come here? So remember, say me had a friend.
Did friend?
Yeah, we did a friend, but you did want to take you to one different level. So tell me, why you there here? Coming me an idiot.
So aren't we friends? Just the same?
No.
As back then?
No.
Serious?
Serious. Get to the point.
Life took a sudden turn. My God. So it's because you won the lotto why we both aren't friends. I realized you resigned abruptly, and that prompted me to run a little, you know, a little check, and then I found out that all of this took place, you know.
You run check? For what?
Let me be frank.
Doctor.
Let me be frank. Marika, I really do have some interest in you from back then. Not only, I should put it now. But anyway, I must go, right?
Yeah, go on. Because you know, you sure me man not even there here?
Just, I have a patient down there.
Next thing you go come and see and go say me a long time me in a deal.
No. Just tell him that your one-time boss is just passing through.
No, you can't tell him that because he always attacks me in a business.
Seriously?
So me can't tell him that. So if I'm like you, hurry up and go on before he come.
So now that I'm looking in those cameras, it's like you're in big trouble.
You have to go clear your camera when we go in. Go on. Please me, I beg you, go on.
You still have my number, right?
No, me not have your number again.
My gosh, I still have yours.
Wonderful. Go on, doctor, go on.
You see, Miss Marika, there's a thing called infatuation. I don't know if you know about that word, right? But I'm going to allow you continue on your journey. I can assure you, love will find its way home.
It come like your mother or something. Go on, doctor. How do you? You're mad?
It's okay.
You crazy?
It's okay.
Look, you know, so you're gone far with me now.
It's okay.
You're gone too far.
I must go.
Go on. Hey. Jesus. You think say now? Oh, God.
Left me with nothing. Watcha, Pinky! What, girl?
Where you call me for?
Me your friend. I mean, girl, me your friend, of course. I want to you. My girl, let me tell you something. You see your man violate me thing. You hear that? Because even though nothing not go on for me now, I know say me can pay my debts. If I even fit thief and rob, I can pay my debts. So, me don't understand why you call me a suffer. Why you stop me for? Girl, see me man, are you in a problem with money problem? Girl, don't bother make them a thing I get with them. Me and a friend. Where friend I go? Come like a sick in your head. And this a stop me for? Girl. Where friend I go? Calm down yourself. You like me keep friend, you know. Calm down yourself. You know me, you know me, you know. Come like this again, I don't even know me yet. Pinky, calm down yourself. Because for me man, can't take for me man fat fry, you know. You know me and your friend for a long time, so I don't know you be so far. I said you try set me up in a girl. I said you try set me up. If your man can't take me 3 pints. You remember one couple, you remember public. Then we need that time, girl. I like, come here, girl. Me and your friend, come here. Preston.
Yes, babes.
What go on?
I'm there, chill out.
You know why you name public?
Yeah, man, I'm virgin that.
I chose saying Winnie Lato.
Yeah, man, the dog winning for true, man, he mash it up, man.
Eh?
You go hope he make use of it, you know? Put it to proper use. So, what make you so interested?
No, man, I know, say, I'm a friend, you know. Me just want to confirm if I saw you go, because to me I walk in the streets and I hear about it, so me just want to confirm if I saw you go. But no, so not me and a Preston, you know me and your friend, you know.
All right,
All
just
right.
hold it here.
Yeah, man.
The dog gone.
Ah. Yo, tell me something. Me no know say boy public winning lotto. See you didn't know about it? So how my man winning lotto? Big and come out I get and even help nobody. Alright, now me have some bills to pay. Gonna have to rise in a youth. So watch now. You know your location where they there? No see a word, my dog, no see a word. Everything active, man. Alright.
Who is that?
Hi.
Hi. Good evening.
Good evening. Your cousin are there?
Who is your cousin?
Public.
I don't know you.
So police want me see you now.
Why? You can't pull a place and I don't know you.
Just police want me see you. Me and
But
cousin.
you see me through here, so I see your face clearly.
Girl, let me say. Listen, listen to me. Bother with the nice. Bother with the drama thing. Me can't take the drama thing. Yo, listen to me. Where your man there? Yo, where your man there? Hey, girl, you come like say, where your man there?
Another year. Another year.
Oi, call your man now and tell him say, me want 300,000. Let's your head bust off.
Three what? I don't know my phone. I can't find my phone.
A matter of fact, use the one.
I don't know your number.
Cut!
Alright.
Hey, girl, I ramp with my badness, you know. You see what's so? When you win a lot and run where they fall, all me and I get off his suffer and poor.
No, I get him.
Yo, how much your man win?
Huh?
How much you and your man win?
100 million.
Clothes and skirt to mama. Where's it? Where's it?
100 million.
Hello, I'm matter of fact, me nobody want the 300,000. If me can't get 10 million, I just dead. Call him, man. No.
I'm not getting.
You see that? You see that? I'm gonna joke with my badness, you know.
Hello? Public. Where they? Come on, no. One of your cousins there stick me up with gun. You know no cousin Jamaica?
You know, so I'm not joke with my badness. Hey boy, hurry up, let's a girl dead. Hang up phone.
Come on.
Hey girl. Sit down here, son.
Please.
We want to have $100 million. And run off. I take my thing for Papi show. And left me and I get her suffer. I want to take this thing for. I want to play with.
No. Who you by the way?
You never hear about me?
No.
You never hear about me? Your man never tell about me?
No.
That means you're not a relevant team then.
Are you the make them run? Are you the take it 100?
You're late.
So what you want? You really come here to rob him again?
Man, me shove this in your mouth, man. Lock chat, man. You see that the 150,000 there? That done in a one day. I'll me chef Tanisha get piece of that. Come like, ask a man if you no pass me yard and smell beer shrimps. And you see right now, you see right now, if me no get the money, you're dead. Cause me have debt CPF right now. So just know one of them, you know, so I'm not paying my badness though. I go round and I try go round me thing, you know. I go round here, you dirty man, I try go round me thing, you know.
I'm not going to think public soon come.
Alright. Leave now, send up me here.
So why you still like?
You come like say, oh. A matter of fact, me didn't even stay here, so you know. Because your man all take long to come right or so. And money me want here. You feel no idling thing me depan. Eh? A matter of fact, hold this. Take that as a warning.
You subscribe yet?
Alright then. Thank you. You've made it to the end. Yes. Alright then. Thank you for the time that you spent. I may say, alright then. Thank you. You've made it to the end. Alright then. Want to big up all my family and friends. Hey, thank you so much. This is episode 2 of Cashplot. You know what I mean? We are working on some stuff. Let's see if we can get episode 3. No rest because people get shot in the foot and them something they most want to know what go on next. Not true. So here we are going. Thanks to everybody who support the movie. Thanks for the locations. Thanks for everything. You know what I mean? And I highly appreciate, you know. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself and see you know in the next video. Okay, see ya.